Is Tezonex.com a total scam? Let's break it down together, especially if you're new to crypto and trying to keep your investments safe. First off, Tezonex.com really sets off my scam radar. The name sounds way too close to other notorious scam sites, like Tenedex and ZetaVex, that have already been called out for refusing withdrawals and faking account balances. I mean, if it looks like a duck and quacks like a duck. Here's what else stands out. The domain itself is super fresh, probably less than a year old. That's a classic scam move. Keep popping up with new names to dodge blacklists and keep fooling people. But it gets sketchier. There's no sign that Tezonex is licensed or regulated by any legit financial authority. Real trading sites are always listed in databases like FINRA or the SEC. If you can't find them there, it's a huge red flag. And let's talk about their tactics. These kinds of sites love flashing guaranteed profits and pushing you to deposit more money, but when you try to withdraw, suddenly there's always an excuse. So, how do you protect yourself? Always double-check the website URL. Scam sites love sneaky misspellings. Make sure there's a real company behind the site. Look for a physical address and a phone number you can actually call, not just some sketchy Telegram link. Before you even think about signing up, run the site through Google Safe Browsing or Scam Advisor. It won't catch everything, but it's a good start. And if you've lost money, please be careful with recovery agents promising to get it back. They're usually just another scam targeting victims. Bottom line, stay far away from Tezonex.com. And if you've already shared your info, call your bank right away.